Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and it's giving you an E24 error and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So also if you're getting the E24 error, you might notice that your machine is full of water, and that's because the E24 error is a drain error. So when it's time to drain, the machine tries to drain, it gives itself a certain amount of time. After that amount of time, if it hasn't drained, it gives you this error. And there's really one of two main culprits for this. The number one would be a problem with the hose behind the machine, the drain hose. So what we want to do is we want to check that hose, because what can happen is like if the machine gets moved or even when it gets installed or whatever, if it, for example, if it gets pushed up too hard against the wall or gets put in an awkward situation, it can end up pinching or smashing or kinking or bending the hose, and then water cannot get through the drain hose. And it won't drain properly. By the same token with that, other things to check with that hose is make sure that if the pump pumps the water up and into the drain, and it can only pump the water up so high, it's only so strong. So if you're just using the hose you got with the washing machine, you should be fine. But if you're using any kind of extension on that, you might be trying to pump the water too high. Also, where the hose goes into the drain, it needs to fit in there snugly. It should be 6 to 8 inches into the drain, but it shouldn't be more than that. And also, air needs to get in there, so it shouldn't be sealed. Like if you've taped around the drain and the hose, take that tape off, because that can prevent air from getting in. So the next thing is that if it's not the hose, if you've checked everything with the hose, next thing is to check the pump. And depending on your model, the pump will be in a different spot, but it's always at the bottom. And what can happen is like a button or a piece of plastic from the machine or something can come undone, can get sucked into the drain pump. The drain pump can't spin, it kind of blocks or jams the drain pump, and then it can't pump the water out. So what you want to do is just check and make sure that pump is spinning freely, there's nothing in there. If you're able to do both those things, you should be able to get your machine draining again, get rid of the air. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.